welcome back to my channel. My name is Maya. If it's your very first time here, you know the drill. Go ahead, hit that subscribe button right now so that you are updated every time that I drop new videos. So let's just get one thing out the way right now. 3 of my nails are broken. Alright, so you're gonna see it in the video. Don't be judging me. You know the drill. Didn't have time to go get them done yet, so it's all good. I have a video for you guys today, and this is going to be a review slash tutorial slash swatches of the new ILUVSARAHI by Dosa Colors collaboration. I was super excited to get my hands on this because I love ILUVSARAHI. I love Karen. She is amazing. I think she has such a beautiful soul. Her spirit just to me is just so clean and open and fresh and happy, which is what I love about her. I watch all of her videos. I binge watch her videos sometimes if, you know, I don't have time to watch them when they first come out. So I was really excited about this collab. I was able to get my hands on some of these products. The first product that I was able to get was the eyeshadow palette. This is the packaging. It is absolutely beautiful. You know, it's right up my alley. It's really like girly and fresh and pretty. And if you open it up, you get 6 very pretty shades that range from shimmer shades, pressed glitter shades, as well as 2 matte transition shades. And if you look at the swatches of the palette, these swatches are absolutely beautiful. They're gorgeous. They show up very beautifully and I'm loving it. Also, I was able to pick up a highlighter, and this is in Soulmate. I picked this one up because it has kind of a goldish type of tint to it. I also was able to get 3 lippies. I was able to get Brillo, which is a lip gloss. I also got New Chica, and I also got Aesthetic. So in this video, I am going to be using this palette to create this look. I used the highlighter as well as the lips. So if you want to see how I got this look, go ahead and keep watching, and I'll see y'all at the end. Okay guys, so I definitely got a tad bit excited when I started to do this look, and I used every color in the palette. That's not a bad thing, right? That's not bad. I'm gonna go ahead and get started. I did already prime my eye with my Tarte Shape Tape, and that's in Deep. I'm gonna go ahead into the palette, and the first color that I'm using is Loungy, and I'm gonna use that as my first transition color, and I'm gonna put that into my upper crease. And this color is a very light peachy color. Seeing that it's kind of hard for it to show up on camera here, even being this close, but in person it's showing up pretty well. It is true to color. I feel like this color is going to do exactly what it's meant to do. Just provide a good transition between the darker color and your skin color or your concealer color. Alright, then from there, with the more concentrated blending brush, I'm going to go into Wanderlust, and I'm going to put that right into my crease. And this is a very pretty crease color, and I'm feeling it. Y'all don't know how excited I was about this collaboration coming out. I love Karen. I love her. So when she debuted all of this and was looking all fire on the gram, I was like, come on sis. So excited. And I am bringing this out a little bit on the edge because I am going to wing this out just with the eyeshadow, not with the liner. So yeah, I'm bringing this out a little bit because I do want to see that gradient once I clean that up. So for this look, I did decide to do a halo eye. You know, I wanted to do a look to where I can get, you know, Palma in as well as Sun Glow. I wanted to use as many colors as possible, and I'm using them all, so that's fine. I feel like a halo eye would be perfect for that. So in the corners of my eye, I am gonna go into Finders Keepers, and this is a black color, but it does have sparkles in it. So if you're looking to keep this more matte black, use it without wetting the brush, because when you do that, the sparkles will go on, but they'll kind of fly around, I noticed. But if you use it with a wet brush, then the sparkles will go right on with the black and you're good to go. I'm gonna go ahead and use a brush that's not wet first to place that on the corners. And I lied, this brush is slightly wet from me doing my other eye, so that's why you can see those sparkles kind of sticking there, because I did want to see the sparkles in this halo eye, so that's why I went ahead and wet the brush for this. And like I said before, I am going to bring this out a little bit, and I'm kind of pushing that up to blend into Wanderlust. And if you're having troubles blending that, you can always go back into the brush that you use for Wanderlust and just dust over it and just make it seamless. So I'm being sure to taper this color into the lid, especially since I'm going to make this a halo and I'm going to blend it with other colors. So I don't want to just stop it like a big deep line of demarcation right there. So I'm kind of tapering this in. So this is getting a little bit on my nerves. So I'm just gonna go ahead and clean this up right now with my makeup wipe. And I'm just gonna make this a nice sharp line. So from there, I'm gonna use concealer just to create my halo eye right in the middle. And I'm gonna do that by drawing a line right at the top and then filling it in and then blending it out. And then on both sides of that concealer, I'm gonna go into Paloma, which is such a beautiful, beautiful color. And I'm gonna put that right on the edges, right next to where the black ends. And I am gonna use a wet brush for this as well. That is such a beautiful color. That is gorgeous, Lord Jesus, that's gorgeous. So when I see this color, I think about the Alizar palette that came in the June BoxyCharm. I feel like this with Malacone, which is that like light green, lime green type of shimmer color that's in the corner of that palette. Yeah, I feel like I gotta make a look with this and that because that would be so freaking pretty. I'm just saying. So I'm gonna go back into Finders Keepers and I'm just gonna put that back on the edge and blend that into Paloma. Just to make sure that that's a seamless blend there. And then it's time for the middle of my halo. I'm gonna go into Sun Glow first with the wet brush and I'm gonna place that right in the middle. This is like the perfect gold color, it's so pretty. And along the top, I'm gonna drag it a little further along the top to get that halo effect and make it go skinnier towards the bottom. So I feel like Palma is like the star of the show for this eye. So I'm gonna go back into that and just brush over those edges because I want Palma to come in a little bit more. So I'm gonna use that to blend it instead of using Sun Glow. Last but not least, I'm gonna go into Poquito Mas. I think I said that right, let's see, Poquito Mas. I'm gonna go in with a skinny eyeshadow brush and wet it. And I'm gonna tap that color right into the middle just to kind of highlight Sun Glow. Since I gotta be extra and use all the colors, you know. There's room for all of them. And yet again, I'm gonna go back into Palma and use that to blend it all together. Don't wanna lose sight of Palma. That's my favorite color in this palette and I need that to come through with the pigment. All right, can't be having that be all covered up by the other colors. Which I love those too, but you know what I mean. Then from there, I'm gonna go ahead and line my eye with my Pretty Vulgar gel liner. And then I'm gonna put on my mascara. And then I'm gonna put on my lashes. And the lashes that I'm using today are iikonn lashes. And these are in the style Bella. So y'all can see why I feel like I did not need a liner wing with these lashes. Because they are very, very, very extra. And I'm loving it. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish my face off camera. And I'll be right back. So on my under eye, the first color I'm gonna go into is Wanderlust. And I'm gonna line that right on the bottom. And these huge lashes are definitely in the way, but it's cool, it's cool. Then on the bottoms of that, I am gonna take a clean brush just to go ahead and dust off anything that I don't want there and to blend it in. And then with a very small smudger brush, I'm gonna go into Finders Keepers and I'm gonna smudge that up against my lash line on the outer corners. And then in my inner corners, I'm gonna go into Poquito Mas mixed with Sun Glow. Man, that is super pretty. And then I'm gonna line my eye with my gel liner and then put my mascara on as well. And I am feeling this, honey. Come on, Karen girl. This is cute. So I'm gonna go into highlighter. And for the highlighter, I purchased the Soulmate highlighter. And this is gold. You know, it has more of a gold tint, which is why I got it. You know, I gotta have my golds. You know, I feel like that looks the best on deeper skin complexions. The other one was super cute and I wanted that one too. But if I just had to have one, this was the one. I'm gonna go ahead and put this on. And that is ridiculously pretty. So I'll take it. So personally, this color does swatch a little more gold than it actually goes on. And that's fine because it is kind of silver. But it is still extremely pretty. I just usually don't go for like silverish highlights, but she works. So I was able to get my hands on 3 of the lip colors from this collection. So I'm gonna go ahead and try those on for you. You know how I do. I'm gonna try those on and then we'll decide which one we're gonna go with at the end. Okay guys, so I decided to go with Nude Chica mixed with my lip liner as well as with Brillo on top. And I figured that'll work, you know, with everything that we got going on up top with the eyes. But like a nice neutral nude glossy lip will go just fine. Alright babes, so this is the finished look. I hope that you guys really enjoyed this review tutorial slash swatch situation of the new ILUVSARAHI by Those Are Colors collection. And if you did, go ahead and make sure you give me a big thumbs up. Comment below if you want to. Hit subscribe below if you have not yet. And I'll see y'all on my next upload. Bye!